Welcome everybody to the crypto mining channel. If you want to learn how to build a passive income with cryptocurrencies and more, make sure to subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get free LBC on the LBRY platform. So stay tuned.
Make sure to press the bell icon to never miss another update.
So first of all, for content creators, they can just upload in one click their videos from YouTube to LBRY. I'm gonna call it LBRY. It's much easier to say the name. In one click, guys, and then the people, the followers, they can support the content creator. So it's super interesting for content creators, but also you can have your account and you can also get rewards for just watching videos. Make sure to follow me on LBRY. I'll put the link in the video description. So first of all, I'm gonna show you some of my rewards. So an inviter bonus, a daily watch reward between 1 and 100 LBC. Probably it will be just 1. So I can, oh, I already claimed this reward. So I get, because I have some videos on the LBRY platform, 90 LBC every 30 days. I can claim that. If you follow one creator, then you can get 1 LBC. I see that I still have to follow one. Easy money, easy LBC money. Gain a following, 5 verified followers. So the first person who sees this, make sure to follow me, and then I can get 5 LBC because I have 5 followers. You can also invite people. You can earn 20 LBC for inviting a friend. So there are many possibilities of getting free LBC. Here you can see daily watch reward, already claimed today, 2 LBC. My first nickel 3, daily watch reward 5. Go for a stream 2, verify your email, you get LBC, etc. So real easy. If you watch one video every day, you can get LBC. So what can you do with your LBC? Let's go to, I already went to rewards. I'll show you my balance and my rewards. So now I have 8 LBC. I'm also staking LBC, so you can get more LBC the more LBC you stake. If you want to know how to stake LBC, I'm gonna show it to you in my next video. So first of all, you can send credits to your LBC address, and then you can sell your LBC, or you can support your favorite content creators. So as you can see here, I received the tip. Thank you very much. 5 LBC, 4 LBC, 2 LBC. So what you can do is, when you tip your favorite creators or your favorite videos, for example, let's say you like this video, you love this video, so then you can tip me or support me. If you, for example, tip a content creator, tip a certain video, the video will be shown a lot more. The weight of your video will be larger and will be shown to more people. So you can tip, you can choose how to tip, 1 tip, 2 tip, 3 tips. So then I can decide if I claim this tip and, for example, I use it for another video, or I can leave it like this. I mostly leave it like that, because if you tip someone, the video gets more power and will be seen more. So I leave it like that. But it's possible as a content creator to get the tip and use it for something else. So when you support someone, then you support, for example, this video, or you can support a channel so that its weight is heavier. And the more support, the more tips a channel gets or a video gets, the higher it will be ranked. So very, very interesting. This is totally different than YouTube. I love LBRY. I've been on LBRY not so long, but I absolutely love it. So what's the difference with a tip and a support? A support does the same thing, but you can withdraw, you can cancel, retract your tip. So for example, you say, hey, crypto mining, what an awesome video. I claimed some hacks because of you. So I'm gonna support you with 10, 5 or 100, you choose with how many LBC. The video gains more weight, the video will get more views, will come higher in the rankings, and until you say let's stop it, you can retract your support, and it's just like that. So it's a very cool feature. I love it. So I can support myself as well. So if I want a certain video to get higher in the search results, what should I choose? Let's just choose this one. So let's say support, and I have 8 LBC. So voila, I supported my own video. Of course, you can support your own video, and you will see that here, support, and you can withdraw your support, abandon your support again by pressing this. You can unlock, if you get tips, you can unlock your tips here, unlock the tip, and then, for example, you can choose to do with the 5 LBC whatever you want to. So you can view content, upload your own digital media for free or a set price, tip your favorite creators, and earn credits as I showed you. So your first nickel, a one-time welcome gift for learning the basics of the application, rewarded for streaming your very first video. You get 3 LBC as a reward for creating a channel, a one-time reward for publishing your first piece of content, 5 LBC, etc, etc, etc. You can get a lot of free LBC. So it's a cool way to first make some LBC. Secondly, you can upload also content, and then you can make more LBC, and also to support your favorite content creators, because on YouTube you can only like and subscribe. You don't have many options, but here you can add some extra weight. I'm calling it weight to the video, so the video can come higher in the search results, and the content creator will be very thankful. I want to thank everybody for sending me tips, for supporting me, because I'm just new on LBRY. I absolutely love LBRY. It's a decentralized video sharing platform, which is totally different from YouTube. YouTube is centralized, and also LBRY uses blockchain technology. So I think this platform could be big in the future. So of course no one knows, but I support it. So I have my videos on there, and if you want to show me support, go ahead, register your account, start watching videos, start making LBC, and watch my next video if you want to learn how to stake LBC so you can make some more LBC the more LBC you have. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more of these tips, more money making tips, and make sure to drop me a like if you enjoyed this video. So I hope to welcome you all soon on the crypto mining channel, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye bye.
Press the bell icon to never miss another update. Join the Bitcoin revolution.